All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, GPU mining, Dogecoin mining, Litecoin, Cardano. We've been talking about AMP. Have you been amped up to hear about the AMP? Well, today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and a little Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin is making, it broke the 50, then it dropped below 50. Bitcoin Cash is more user friendly. We're going to talk about both of that. AMP's been in the news. Are you amped up about the AMP? Mostly going to be about the Bitcoin today. But if you can go ahead and hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So we always talk about we can't wait till every single person on the planet is actually participating in cryptocurrency. Now we do know there's a lot of things that are hedging to go in our favor with this. Like AMC is going to be accepting cryptocurrency by the end of the year. Brazil, Burger King in Brazil is accepting Dogecoin to buy dog purrs right now currently. The AMP is going to make it a lot easier for the brick and mortar merchants to be able to accept the payments, and the person's actually really paying with their cryptocurrency, and AMP is going to be like masking it and turning it into the actual money for the merchant. So all this is going on. So it basically, with that, let's go ahead and head over to a little bit of Bitcoin. Well, right over here at CoinDesk, it talks about Bitcoin is not a stock. So what is this about? Well, why many companies are buying Bitcoin, Bitcoin is not a company stock. It says, it seems obvious, right? Well, there's a common misconception among new crypto market participants that Bitcoin is a company stock. While its price activity can correlate with the transaction market on occasion, Bitcoin is cryptocurrency. It's a type of digital asset that is secured by graphy and can be used to make electronic payments over the internet and act as a store of value like gold and silver. Well, think of cryptocurrency as an email of the crypto world. They do not exist in a physical form. They can be sent in a minute. They do not require a multiple interdirection to be handled the payment, unlike fiat currency like a US dollar or a euro that can be stored on a card and a wire transferred on the central ledger maintained by a single authority. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies use a technology called the blockchain. That's right, it's called the blockchain. So the blockchain, this is a a global distributed ledger that can be maintained and copied by anyone on the planet and assure total transparency. The key differences between Bitcoin and a stock. So this is kind of interesting. Bitcoin and a stock, what are the differences? Well, stocks are traded on traditional stock exchanges like the NASDAQ London Exchange. It can be only traded Monday through Friday. Market open and closing time varies the stock exchange. It's regulated to financial products, legal proof of ownership. The brokerage maintain their own record of stock trades that execute on behalf of the client. In the United States, the information is not publicly available unless the investor purchases over 5% of the company. Well, here's with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, there's a little bit of difference here. So it's traded centralized and decentralized crypto exchanges. Crypto markets do not close, so Bitcoin can be traded any time of day. You can go buy your Bitcoin at 3 in the morning tonight if you want. You could buy it at 6 a.m. You could buy it on Sunday. You could buy it at 5:30, 6:30, 7:30. Doesn't matter in New York what time it is in New York and what time it is in California. Cryptocurrency you can buy 24/7. That's a big difference. Purchasers can hold their own Bitcoin or delegate safe storage or third-party custodian. There will only be 21 million Bitcoins. No more new Bitcoins will be created. The Bitcoin blockchain. The blockchain records all transactions and can be viewed and downloaded by anyone at any time. The company, and this is interesting right here. Company stocks that are tied to Bitcoin. So this is what makes people think that Bitcoin's a stock that is not a stock, but it is tied to it. Listen to this. Despite the difference between these two investment options, there are a number of public traded companies whose stocks are tied to the performance of Bitcoin. This is because the companies are either directly engaged in Bitcoin related activities such as mining, holding amounts of Bitcoin in reserves of their target market and crypto users. Okay, so these companies include Silvergate Capital. I'm going to name a couple of them. Silvergate Capital, MicroStrategy, Square, Nevada, Riot Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarm, Hunt 8 Mining, Voyager Digital. The general means that when Bitcoin price is performing, these stocks also tend to perform well and vice versa. JP Morgan launched a new financial product called the Crypto Exposure Basket, a debt instrument linked to the leading crypto-focused companies that allow investors to gain indirect exposure to Bitcoin. So yeah, Bitcoin is big when it's tied to all these different companies. People are thinking Bitcoin is a stock now, and it's not a stock. Let's go ahead and head over to the top 10. All right, over here at the top 10, we got Bitcoin at number 1. It's at 49,396. It's actually up 5.95%. Ethereum is at almost 3,800, 3,799. It's up 23% in the last 7 days. Cardano is at number 3, traded at $2.97. It's actually up 18% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin, which we do know that's been number 3 for a real long time, but ADA and Binance Coin actually flip-flop. Binance Coin is number 4 now, traded at about $484. It's up about 2.228%. Tether's right there at $1. XRP at number 6 is up 17% in the last week. It's trading at $1.26. The Dogecoin is right there at 29.6 cents, almost 30 cents. It's up 11% in the last 7 days. Solana is in the top 8. And oh boy, up 78% in the last 7 days. We've been talking about Solana. I mean, what a big increase right there, Solana. Polkadot's at number 9, 36% increase. USD coin is right there, pretty much even. Where is the Bitcoin Cash? At number 14. Going up here to the top, the global market is at $2.22 trillion right now. All right, so we're over here at Bitcoin Cash. Actually at bitcoincash.org. This is the site Bitcoin Cash peer-to-peer electronics. It says fast transactions in seconds, get confirmed in minutes. It's simple, easy to use, no hassle. It's reliable, a network that runs without congestion. It's stable, a payment system that has a proven store value. Low fees, send money globally for pennies. It's secure, the world's most robust blockchain technology. Bitcoin Cash. So up here, you click the wallets. There's a whole slew of wallets that you can pick from. Just to name a couple, Coinbase wallet, Ledger. I mean, you can't go wrong with any of these. Bitcoin.com, BitPay, Edge, Coinspace, Strongcoin. I mean, it just goes on and on. But you pick your wallet. Why do you use the Bitcoin Cash? You send money anywhere in the world, almost for free. With Bitcoin Cash, you can send money to anywhere, anyone, anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Like the internet itself, the network is always on. No transaction is too big or too small. You never need anyone's permission or approval. Be your own bank and have a full control over your money. It talks about the token ecosystem. Storing and managing tokens on the blockchain provides greater transparency, integrity, and transition forms in trading. Bitcoin Cash supports tokens, protocols that power a variety of projects that is easy to create your own token-backed projects. So we're going to be on this bitcoin.cash.org over the next few days. We're going to be talking about it. Why do you use Bitcoin Cash? So we're going to be back talking about the Bitcoin Cash, talking about the Bitcoin. I think a lot of people are using the Bitcoin for storage. They're looking for this Bitcoin to 2x. They want it to go to 60,000. Then they want it to go to 100,000. They want it to go higher and higher. And I get it. People want to store it. Where Bitcoin, what's it, 49,000 right now. It reached 50,000 yesterday. Bitcoin Cash is at around 650. It's more user-friendly, smaller transactions. We learned the other day there's like 24,000 transactions Bitcoin Cash can do per second, where opposed to 1,500 per second for Bitcoin. So there's more transactions you can do. Don't forget here on the channel to hit the like button, hit subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, and hit the bell icon. Over here, we're going to be bringing you all kinds of news of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is always going to be in the news. Bitcoin Cash. We're going to be going back and forth with this. We had a little treat the last couple days on AMP. Pay attention to AMP, everybody, because this is going to change they say how cryptocurrency is going to be used over the next few years and stuff like that, the brick and mortars. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. We're going to keep bringing you great information on cryptocurrencies for the weeks to come, the months to come. Every single day at 1 o'clock is when we bring our videos to you. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. You have a great day. Thank you for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner.